Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, please do wait to like this video and share it worldwide so that everyone will get the latest update. I thought it wise to say no, I should bring it to you immediately because it is so urgent and it's something that every one of us has been waiting for. Before I go into the update, I don't really want you to feel so disappointed because Onyedu won't be appearing in court. Remember, there is time and season for everything, and in everything we should give thanks to God. This is an evidence that the Nigerian government don't really have any tangible thing case against Nnamdi Kanu. They just want to go and reinforce, think of what to do, then they will come back. Now hear the news in details. I just have to read it according to Ifeanyi Ejiofor. He said, updates on tomorrow's scheduled court case of Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu. Please be informed that we have just received communication from the Federal High Court registrar notifying us that the court will no longer be sitting tomorrow, the 26th May 2022, on Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu's case. According to the registrar, this is because His Lordship Justice Binta is indisposed, and as such, the matter is now adjourned to the 28th day of June 2022 for ruling and hearing. We must respectfully urge you all to maintain restraints as you have always done. Keep your eyes on the ball, which is the freedom of Onyedu Nnamdi Kanu. Also, please note that justice delayed is not justice denied. We are aggressively crushing to victory. It is only a matter of time. We profoundly appreciate your solidarity and support, prayers which you have been sustaining us this far. Please do not relent in your prayers. We do not take for granted. We shall continue to keep you all informed as invents of food. Thank you all and remain blessed. This is coming from Ifeanyi Ejiofor. So, you've heard it all. You've seen what they have said. Postponing Nnamdi Kanu's court case is not a means of us to give up. Okay, it's not a means of us to give up. It's a means for us to believe what God have said concerning him. It's for us to believe that indeed justice delayed is never justice denial. At times, we rush into some things, but God have a plan and purpose for everything. We don't really have to hold anybody responsible in this case. Neither do we have to blame ourselves in this case that, oh, the IPOP, they are not trying enough, the people, they are not doing good enough, the barristers, they are not doing well enough. But there is time and season for everything. We so much believe in this freedom. And even then, postponing this thing is a ketera, is a means of telling the world that indeed they don't really hold anything against Nnamdi Kanu. Indeed, Nnamdi Kanu is not really their problem. Indeed, there is no case. Because you know what it takes for them to come to court tomorrow and they don't even have anything to say. They don't have anything to do. This is just the trick. The trick here is that not that justice is not Justice Binta is not really available, but we are going to accept it, and the world will accept it that yes, she's not available. But the truth remains that there is no case, because if you look at what happened in the last court case, you've already drew the conclusion to yourself that nothing is going on and there is no way they will hold Onyedu captivity. Okay, it is all over. It has been seen. The world has seen it. Everybody have heard it. So the thing now is that the court hearing, the court date is no longer the 26th of May 2022, but is now 28th of June. Not 28th of May, 28th of June. So it's a month interval. But in all, we believe in what God can do. We believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be free and be free. This is a moment for everybody to come together. In fact, at times, some things happen for our good. With this that has been going on, I think this is a moment for everybody to sit up. This is a moment for the leadership, every one of them, to put their house in order, to put things in place, to call for unity and for every other thing. This is just the moment. I know that some people will be saying, oh, because a lot of things has happened and people have said, oh, there is no way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can have justice in Nigeria court. Yes, the justice here now is that they don't have any case against him. There is difference between somebody that they have case against and they don't even they don't know how they are depriving the person the right, and everybody is saying it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case is so pronounced that there is no way they are going to hide it. The truth, that is what I have told you. The truth now is that they don't have case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They just have to let him go. And they don't just want to let him go like that. They just want to prolong it. That is why they prolonged this moment to June 28th. It's normal. This is their game. This is what they normally do. It's obvious. Everybody is seeing it. Nigeria don't really have what it takes to keep citizens together. No, they don't have what it takes for someone to say one Nigeria. No, they don't have these things. They have already lost these characteristics. So being that they don't have it, they don't have anything to say to anybody. The fact and the truth, that is what I have told you. These people don't really hold anything against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he has not committed any crime. You see what is going on in the northern part of Nigeria. You see what is going on in Sokoto. Even when they arrest the victim of the Bura, you saw what happened. These guys, they took into the street, they protested, a lot of things happened, and what happened at the end of the day? They released those guys. That is why some persons are now saying justice for the Bura. They have already seen that the people from the southeastern part of Nigeria, all over the world, they are seeing these things, and they know that there is no way these people will not rise up one day to fight for their rights. And what is your right? Our right is telling them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is a time that everybody will speak up because they understand these things. They know that the people have had a lot of wasted years, wasted time, wasted opportunity for them not to really know or fight for what fully belongs to them. They understand these things. The people from the northern part of Nigeria, they've understood that these people, they are now wise. Before, we are not wise. Even up to date, some persons are still betraying themselves, but is nobody's business. But the people that are wiser now, they are more than people that are running after them because of position. Because a lot of people, believe me, they are fed up of presidency, they are fed up of 2023. What they just need is just freedom, equality, and all that. So they believe these things, and they know that this thing is what the people seek. So my capitalistic people, out of shame, what will they do? They just need to put everything in the hands of Binta and say, she's not available, blah blah blah. But we understand the game. The game here is that right from the very first beginning, even the last court date on 18th of this month, a lot of people saw what happened, that there is no case. So my capitalistic people, the fact remains that the court case is now postponed to 28th of June 2022. Hopefully everything will be all right and victory will speak. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you once again, and bye bye.